5 Best Gutter Cleaning Tools for 2-Story House Reviews. Number 1. BI Plus Gutter Cleaning Tool. Let's get back to the telescoping pole as we are reviewing the best gutter cleaning tools for 2-story house. You get a regular 26-inch pole when it collapses. But if extended, it is going to reach up to 84-inch. Water control is crucial when it comes to cleaning gutters with water. So, this one has a rotating tip. Due to that, the sturdy copper nozzle sprays water in different ways. And you get a ball valve too with an on-off controller. So, all in all, you will have good control over the water pressure. The bend on the one helps you to reach the tough spots. You can keep it straight and bend it per your need as it is flexible. Number 2. Melner 65059 AMZ 2-Story House Gutter Cleaner. This one is also a telescoping wand like the previous one. The pole can be extended to 40 to 72 inches real smooth. It has aluminum construction. Thus it is sturdy and will work for you for a long time. The 7-year limited warranty on it says a lot about how long the cleaning wand is going to last. Reaching the hard-to-clean areas was never this easy. The reason is its 360-degree swivel spray head. You can turn the head holding the wand straight and clean the debris with the maximum water pressure. Not just that, the head spray water in a flat fang-like pattern. It turns into a liquid broom that cleans the narrow corners. Number 3. Gutter Master Classic House Gutter Cleaner. We have the sanitized aircraft-grade aluminum pole that can be extended within a range of 5-12 feet. Just extend to the desired length and lock it with the twist collar. You can do it in a snap, and it will not loosen or budge a bit. Though it is long and sturdy, yet it is light to the hand when carrying it for long cleaning sessions. Hold it comfortably with its non-slip foam grip. You do not need to worry whether it is going to fit your garden hose or not. It fits just right in all the standard garden hoses. The threaded nozzle fits any type of spray head, but you need to buy them separately. Water pressure is enough to clean a gutter and unclog it without putting in any extra effort. Number 4. Gutter Viper House Cleaning Tool. This one is a bit different from the above gutter cleaning tools for two-story house we reviewed. It is a leaf blower attachment. So, if you have a powerful leaf blower and you cannot use it to clean the leaves stuck in the gutter, this is the tool you need. The attachment works with the small electric leaf blower as well. You and the leaf blower can stay in the yard but still reach as high as 27 feet with this attachment. But for that, you will need the 23-foot Mr. Longarm painter's pole. It not only blows the leaves but also cleans the wet and heavy debris. Do not worry about a fatigued hand as both the painter's pole and leaf blower attachment is very lightweight. Number 5. 40 feet gutter cleaning system. If you are wondering whether you can vacuum clean the gutter, then here is your answer. You can, and for that, you need this attachment. To assemble this 40 feet long pole, you get quite a few things. You have about 10 by 4 feet gutter poles. These are sturdy, made of aerospace aluminum. The material makes them lightweight. Join these poles, and you get 9 connector clamps for that. These are as easy to dismantle as they are to assemble. To fit the pole to a vacuum, you get 3 pole adapters. You get a U-bend made of similar material as well. You can connect these with any type of vacuum, be it wet or dry.